Yeah, you ate first Friday night funkin' like Roblox. Oh, you know, my nephew is playing like that also. Hey, your back, bread. My back? Where? Friday night funkin'. Guys, playing like that also, my nephew. Me, I don't know how to play. Yeah, you can eat first. Ah, okay. Live. Oh. Ah, this bread. My ulam was potato but like egg form. Oh, what kind of potato is that bread? Okay. Tasty your potato, you boiled first and then you put fresh milk and butter, then smash it. It's like mashed potato. Okay, Hunter. Good luck to your exam tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Like eggs form. Welcome. Your potato, you can mash potato and then put butter. Is the stream over? I don't know. My stream is over. No, not yet. Okay, Hunter, thank you. Thank you, Hunter. I will make a channel to my nephew and I will subscribe you, Hunter, so he can play with you. You know how to play that? The one you play also? Roblox? What is that? Bye. Thank you, bread. Oh, secret. Uy, yung princess. Makaon mo ng princess.